Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for December 4th, 2015. And as the header on the website indicates, a high pressure is going to be in control of our forecast right through the weekend and into early next week. We're going to have this area of high pressure here over the Ohio Valley that's just going to kind of drift very slowly eastward. Eventually, it's going to end up in a position off the coastline. By the time we get to Sunday, that's going to allow us a little bit of warming, maybe not much, but a couple degrees. And in the meantime, temperatures, despite the cold front coming through yesterday or early yesterday, we're not going to be that much colder behind that front. We don't have these cold fronts are coming through, but they're just not a deep surge of cold air coming in behind it. I mean, it's just everything's a very fast zonal west-east flow right now, so we're not really getting a deep cold shots here. Here's that high pressure by Saturday morning. It's not going to move over to western Pennsylvania, and then after that point, it's going to move off the East Coast here. You see it start doing that right here by the time we get to Sunday. Because it's over here in this position, we're going to have a little bit of more of a westerly wind component here, maybe more even southwest-southwest by the time we get to Sunday. That's going to allow the temperatures to jump up again like we just spoke about. Then the precipitation will not be a factor at all through the entire forecast period here until we get to about Tuesday here. We're going to watch a system to our south here. Now, the models are handling this differently. I'm going to show you the latest version of the GFS that I have at the time before we recorded the video here, still insisting that we're going to have a coastal system moving up, paralleling the coast and giving us some pretty decent rain amounts for most of our coverage area here. Now, I do have to say that especially the eastern half, but I do have to say that this model is on its own with this idea. The other models have abandoned and everything is kept further to the south. So I'm just showing you this as a worst case scenario, but the GFS has in fact trended east, and we think it's going to continue to do so along with its ensembles. And the European model's taking this kind of just out here like this. Canadian brings it up a little bit closer here, and it actually has a little inverted trough that gets some action of some rain here along our eastern section of New Jersey. So we'll keep an eye on it just in case here. Right now leaning against a coastal impact, except for maybe our southeastern areas here, like southern New Jersey, Delaware. We'll have to pay attention a little bit more than somebody in, say, State College. Okay. Right now, I don't think our northwest areas have much to worry about. I think the only thing we have to watch about is for down here in our southeastern areas. But then after that, regardless of what happens with this system here, we expect to return to partly cloudy skies by the time we get into the middle of next week on Wednesday. That extends throughout our entire 6-day forecast period. Again, the cold air coming behind it, not a lot of cold air, very fast west-east flow still. So we're still going to be temperatures maybe just slightly above normal for that time frame, slightly below normal, I should say, as we get into both Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we'll start moderating after that point. Again, it looks like as we get closer to the 10th of the month of December. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for December 4th, 2015. Have a great Friday.